Okay, today on your online tutorial for our STAAR test, you're going to click on today's link that says tutorial link. It'll put up the website that says STAAR, State of Texas Assessment and Academic Readiness. We are doing the tutorials, so come down here to the bottom, click on tutorials. And then here we're going to choose English or Spanish, but we're going to choose English. A grade, we are in 8th grade. It doesn't really matter what subject you choose because all the tutorials on how to use it is the same. So you can choose any subject. And then for test, we're going to select a test. Now when you look here, there's all different things. If you know that you get oral administration on your paperwork, then you'll choose text-to-speech. If you know you have other supports like supplemental aids or highlighters, then you're going to choose all supports. If you don't get any supports or you're not sure, just choose no supports. And then you're going to take the test. And it's not a test really, it's a tutorial, but it's using the buttons as if you were taking the test. So then it says here 8th grade mathematics tutorial, and you're going to use the next button down here to look at, but you can look at all the different things we have up here available. Do not choose log out. It says we're doing the student tutorial. And when we select next, then it will follow you through. Read the statements, follow through the tutorial, what it says to do. Once you've read it, then you'll hit next. And then you'll just keep going through. Read the information. It's going to tell you the different aspects. So now if you're doing the oral admin or something else, it will also teach you how to use those supplemental aids. So complete the assignment. Once you've done, then I need you to, you can log out then once you completed the whole thing. And then when you go back to our assignment, make sure you click the, no, there will not be a submit button for this. Never mind. So once you're done with the tutorial, it will log your participation, and that's what we're doing for today. If you have any questions, ask us.